hello. Let's see what decisions you'll make today. I'm glad you made these decisions last time. This is our story. You look tired today. I hope you're doing okay.
It should be good now. Pretty sure it's good now. Hi. Yeah, I'm sure it's good now, because like my either OBS or my laptop itself decides to just randomly like disconnect something for no reason. Let's just play a game. This is bull. Yeah, that's bull. Yo, what's up? I am banning motorcycles. First thing, I'm banning motorcycles. If you can't drive a car, you take the bus. I think noise pollution is going to be a big thing on me, for me at least, for my mandate. But the thing is, on top of that, I'm just becoming a boomer. I'm just like very sensitive to sound, it seems. So I won't want any noise or whatever on the pretense of noise pollution. I'm getting old, what can I say? I'll just play some music, I guess. Now it's lagging. It really has to be, because my stream health is fine because I'm streaming at a high resolution. Yeah, I don't think it's the internet. I think it's OBS. Let's see if that's better. Should be. I just don't get it how I'm so cursed. I can't have a normal stream. I can't have just like one playthrough that's just fine. No.
I was wondering where you were.
I needed to see the daylight.
I like it here. I come here often. It's like being alone with...
So I guess they come with robot PPs.
We freed hundreds of our people and they're still coming from all over the city.
Can a machine have
Those who
lust?
dream of freedom come to Jericho.
Because it seems we can have love.
Something's changing. seem preoccupied.
It's just as bad.
Follow me without question.
Laggy again. Okay, I'm gonna close OBS. Give me a second. I'll be back. We should be back. But are we? We should be, yeah.
Power feels good. And scary.
Yeah, power is
At the
scary.
same time.
Hey, Spotify is finally in Mauritius.
The humans are
Cool.
terrified.
Let me check that right now.
They're afraid of the civil war.
I'm paying attention.
Many of our people were burned in response to what happened.
It is.
The humans hate us. They'll never
So
give
for
us
anyone
a
who
break.
wanted to, we now have Spotify. I already had. Wait, I'm determined. I already had like a cracked version, so I could have the full thing. So,
Fight.
You haven't said much about yourself.
but we got
since you've been
Spotify
with us.
finally.
What was your life like before Jericho?
Another way to spend our money. Let's be truthful on this. Now there's not much to hide.
Caring for an old man. He was like a. He showed me that.
Did he?
androids
You were a
can-
slave. You might have been like a house nigger, but you were still a nigger. Ah, no! I wanted to ask about the past. Sorry, but it's just a misclick. Oops. Yikes. It can't have saved just that. I must get like at least like a second before. But still, oops. I wanted to ask that question. I didn't get to. XDev, external development studio. You just have to. I just have to. Like it's like I know she was a sex slave. That's fine. Okay, I should not say it like this. I should really not say it like this. It's just that it's not a me thing when people ask me about me. And if I care for them a little bit, I will ask back. But I mostly would like to know about people instead of talking about me. So if someone would just talk to me, I would not be like, yeah, that's me. Let's move on now. I would not be able to do that. That's very rude. Look, a man got to know. I just don't want to redo the piano bit. Like, piano is a beautiful instrument, but I really don't care right now. Yes, I mean, yes, I can redo the question, not yes for the piano, but like, yes. There's a magazine here if you want to. Maybe I missed something earlier when I don't think I did, because there's not much here. I don't even know where she came from. Here? No. This is not a choice you're allowed to make. Thanks, Detroit. I thought you were the choice video game. We're just gonna play the piano again. It's super laggy again, isn't it? Okay, I don't have a solution, I'm sorry. I think it's the capture card. As soon as lockdown is lifted, I'm gonna return it. Thanks, 101. I don't think it's just the scene. It's not that intensive. My PS4 is fine. Look, I'm gonna deactivate my capture card for a second and reactivate it. It's gonna go back again. It's most likely that the card is overheating really fast, which is bad. How are you supposed to stream with that? Yeah, I was thinking.
We needed to think.
I'm gonna change some answers now.
I like it here.
Really, do you now? Like, she's nice, and I get it, we're supposed to be a thing, but like, she's kind of homicidal.
We freed hundreds of our people, and they're still coming from all over the city. Those who dream of freedom come to jail.
I want to play as Kona again.
Things change.
Yeah, I should keep it in the fridge. I should buy like a mini fridge for my room and just put that bloody capture card in there.
They all obey me. They follow me without question. And that much power feels...
I hope you guys get to follow the scene, kind of, like you still understand what's happening. Of course the humans are terrified.
Terrified.
The machine... the machines are sentient. Jesus Christ.
Burned in response to what happened.
Is it like burning Nikes because they associated with
Give us our freedom.
Colin Kaepernick? And not Nikes, Nike. Nike.
Humans are the same. Stop us from becoming free forever.
You haven't said much about yourself.
Now it froze completely. I don't have the words. I really don't have the words, so I'm just gonna. You keep telling me, and I'll keep deactivate and reactivate.
I was caring for an old man. He was like a father to me. He showed me that humans and androids can live together.
Yeah.
What about you? You never told me about your past. What did you do before?
I don't want to talk about it.
Let's talk about the other North, which is the South.
That android you were looking at in the store. She reminded you of who you were, didn't she?
Trustful.
North, we're fighting together.
Yeah, how can we have a good sex
to
if
trust each other?
I was nothing. All in a distributor program. Just a toy designed for their...
That's a PS4, love.
Yeah, I was with a man who ran it. And without knowing why, I really couldn't. Mingled him and
I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna disconnect my graphics card, connect it back in, because this is bullshit. Hi. Sup? Everything's popping or something, whatever the kids say these days. Deactivate and reactivate. Okay, it should be displaying right now. Let's see.
I shouldn't have told you.
Oh, come on, let's connect. Whatever that means. Ooh, it's like in Avatar when they have like hair sex. We have hand sex is a thing, isn't it? High back. Damn. I just came.
I saw your
Wow.
memories. Carl's house. When they left you for dead in the studio.
The death of that man, I felt like I was there with you.
Wait. No.
North.
Yeah, what's the problem? I outlived death. Jesus Christ, the stream is still so laggy. Let's try. Ooh, you made it! How? Should we hug or something? Most awkward, like leaning into hug a friend. What is the issue? What is the issue? This is a new problem, that's the thing. Maybe I should just stop streaming, because like problems just come in and there are new ones and new ones. I'll stop the stream. I'll reconnect my capture card. Give me a second, I'll be right back. We're back.
This is suicide. We'll all be killed. Please, Marcus. It's not too late to change your mind.
You don't understand. We're finally gonna show them who we really are. This place will go down in history.
We'll be killed on the spot.
That's a risk I'm prepared to take if it means freedom for our people.
Marcus, please don't do this.
They'll understand.
Why and how?
We'll make them understand. This is the only way.
There are androids here who could join us. The more we are, the stronger our message.
You're free. Come with us.
That's the point. Cyber life is recording. I mean, they could be spying on us.
You're awake now.
Sorry.
I'm telling you, you got the wrong idea.
Oh, what? You slipped and Mel's hand slided on her tits.
Don't call it a hurt. That's
You know, I bet President Moore was in bed with Cyber Life.
Froze. Once again.
Finally. I've been on hold for like 10 minutes.
You're free now.
Hey! Where do you think you're going? You get back here!
I need to block the street.
Now my volume is gone again. It's better now. Should be better now. Please tell me it's better now, cause like, this is chaos. This stream is just doomed. Like, come on. I just... Yeah, but it shouldn't be low. I don't understand. I don't understand why I'm so doomed. Is it better? I don't know, because now there's no settings to change even. Let me unplug and connect it again. Hi, this is me, Adrien, speaking from hell. Definitely it's gonna be hell, and still no clue of how to properly operate this live stream. Thanks, at least it's better for now. I'll just complete this chapter and call it a night, because I'm kind of running out of patience already. How to open a menu cover. Okay, I'll get to it. Why does the stream look frozen? This is suspicious to the level of thinking that Sherry Singh is personally trying to ruin me.
You don't have to obey them. You're free.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna open. I don't know what I did to Sherry. Like, I must have done something with Kobita, because this doesn't make sense. It's not a very political stream or anything. Oh, I can just look at people. Damn. Sorry. Kinda scared. I went out today for some shopping, so I really hope that's nothing. Wow. I just look at things. Wow. What's a drone? These drones are useless. They can see you, but can't do much more than that. Okay, what's L2? BLM.
Wait, where are you going? Jesus, the fucking Adrien.
Conversion, QT. Greg, come back here immediately. Sounds like a pissed girlfriend. How would I know? It sucks that yeah, also that I'm sick just now, but it really does suck that
Disperse immediately.
that what?
That's an order.
I'm gonna just keep walking. I'm the savior. If you kill me, I'll come back.
Jesus.
Freedom!
They're marching.
Sounds good. Freedom, equal rights. Yeah, I'm definitely dying now. Uh-oh. As usual, the police doesn't really want you to have freedom.
We came here to demonstrate peacefully and tell humans that we are living beings. All we want is to live free.
This is a gathering. Disperse immediately or we will open.
We're not looking for confrontation. We've done no harm. No intention of doing any. But know that we are not going anywhere until we have freedom.
I repeat, this.
Marcus, they're gonna.
All she wants to do is attack.
We have to.
Are they gonna shoot at us? I want to stand my ground, but I think it's better if we just let's go back home. I knew it. George, fuck you. Shitty human beings. I knew it. Oh, stuff. Snuff. Do you get to see? Oh, it's blocked just now. You deactivate just for the action. Sometimes you have to beat him, motherfucker. Disarm, tackle, disarm this one. Oh, come on, I pressed it. There. Spare. I'm not a good killer. Not even you. See the humans, you spare them, and they come back asking for more. Stay down. Oh, come on. Come on, I pressed it once again. She doesn't care about killing. She really doesn't. Damn. Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Ooh, I've killed now. It's not going back on this. Shit. Ah, I'm sorry. I'm trying to pay attention to the stream, and obviously, you know what? I'm not happy with how I'm playing right now because I have to focus on this bloody game, and at the same time the capture not being properly captured. So I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to end the stream here because nothing's working and I'm pissed. So I'd rather just stop it here and try and get it going tomorrow. Okay, I'll run some tests throughout the day. This is not working. Thanks once again. Sorry once again. Yeah.